There you are. I am back and I am leaving for Disney tomorrow with my sister, and I figured I'd make a packing video. First thing I'm packing is this Haunted Mansion pass holder shirt and original Mouseketeer shirt. A Mickey Mouse shirt with blue and red bullseye in the background. Donald Duck shirt. Looks like he's trying to be what's that team called? The Fighting Irish or whatever it is they're called. Grumpy from Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Every day is a grumpy day. I know it's no longer Halloween, but I'm gonna bring the pass holder Halloween party shirt. Maybe I'll wear it at the Christmas party. The long sleeves on this shirt will be nice. It's supposed to be kind of cold while we're there. Last year's Halloween party pass holder shirt. This one's short sleeve though. If you've been watching my videos, I bought this at the Galaxy's Edge opening day. I'm gonna wear this for when hopefully get in the boarding group for Rise of the Resistance. Another pass holder shirt. Lion King, Timon and Pumbaa, No Worries. I always thought it said Hakuna Matata on it. I never realized that it didn't. And my last two shirts are just Mickey Mouse. They're all just gonna go right in the suitcase, along with all my shorts. My carry-on, I'll be packing my gimbal, which I just bought for this trip. I'll be using it for the first time. Apple Watch charger and stand. Actually, I'm probably going to leave the stand back here and just take the charger out. 10-foot iPhone charger. Fuel rod. Hopefully it still has unlimited swaps. If not, I brought a charging cable for it. I most definitely cannot forget my Disney umbrella, because it's going to rain several days while I'm down there. Should I bring my Star Wars pins for Rise of the Resistance? Or any of my pins? I don't think I'll need to bring those. That's a completed set. These Star Wars ones are a completed set. These are just a few tradables I have. Some Mickey back there. I'll definitely bring these. Probably wear these on Galaxy's Edge Day. And magic bands. Can't forget the magic bands. Star Wars. Darth Vader. Bought this one a little over a year ago. Galaxy's Edge opening day merch. More pass holder Galaxy's Edge opening day merch. And my pass holder slider's a little worn down. I used to wear it on my Apple Watch and it got beat up a little bit. And just a purple Mickey pass holder one with a better slider. This will be my everyday wear. Probably wear the pass holder opening day one when I go to Hollywood Studios. Making sure I don't forget it. Put it on now. Considering I almost forgot all four of the bands I was bringing. So, 3 of them are packed. One's on my wrist. Not going to forget it. And all the rest I'm going to bring is going to be like toiletries and stuff like that. And I'm sure I'm still forgetting something, but I'll figure that out later. Probably have to buy stuff at the resort. I'll talk to you tomorrow. I'll see you in the next video.